Moin moin everyone, in this episode we will drive through the Appenzell Valley. We will learn about the legend of the Säntis Giant and I will let you in on my worst day so far, so let's get right into it. If you're driving a car in Switzerland, please pay attention to these little grey boxes, and here's why. So I just left St. Gallen, and there we are now in Appenzell, and you can see the landscape has changed. So now we are making some altitude. As I heard, now the spring is like one of the rainiest and the wettest in a long time, and you can also tell by looking into nature. So here I was told that the grass, due to the rain, it's like pushed down due to the weight of the water, and the farmers really look forward to some dry days. It's supposed to be drier now as of Wednesday or Thursday, because they can't cut the grass and make hay for the winter because now it's all wet. So they're really looking forward to do that. And I got something else told which I found was pretty cool. So there is a legend that there was a
huge giant named Säntis lived in the Appenzell Valley in ancient times. His pillow was the soft alpine grass of the Meglissalp. Once he found himself in the flat land by the lake, he liked the little houses and the little people. He packed some villages into his sack made of animal skins. A farmer was able to hide and tore a hole in the sack with his scythe. As he walked, the giant involuntarily scattered the houses over the land. When he noticed the loss, he was furious and emptied out the rest. The giant disappeared and never came back.
Found him. You can see these little signs there. They belong to a shooting range. And here's where the people shoot. And here's the street. But it seems fine. Hello. So I have to say, I'm kind of glad to go down this way and not up. That wouldn't be so nice, but that's fine.
stay so far.
So we have a special situation here. There is a little bit of liquid inside, and waterproof bags are fine, but they also work the other way. And it turns out that somehow my beer can, I don't even know where it popped, but okay, I have now half a liter beer inside. Nice. So check out my little crib for this night. I decided to go for an indoor thingy to dry my clothes and to have a warm shelter. And yeah, it's I think still raining outside. Yep. Yes, it will be, I guess, the whole night. But it's fine. Like how they put the fence exactly around the bench. Pretty considerate. I made a stop here because I want to show you something. So you see these spires or constructions. They are there to indicate how tall the building will be, which will be here at some point. And I found it's pretty interesting, so we don't have that in Germany. I'm now in Liechtenstein, but I think it's from Switzerland, and they did the same here. Pretty interesting concept, and it has its advantages definitely, but yeah, just an interesting sight. I decided not to stay too long in Liechtenstein after my press requests for an interview with the government were rejected.